Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create Outlook rules for receiving emails. Open your Outlook app. From the File menu, click on the option Manage Rules and Alerts. You will click on the button New Rule. In the Template section, select the line Apply Rule to the messages you receive. Click on Next. Now in the Condition section, you can choose the condition that you need to be met in the message. You must keep in mind that it will be necessary to specify that condition. Again, click on Next. Now in the action that you will do with the received messages, select one of the options that you find available, then click on Next. At this point, you can add exceptions if you consider that you need them for your messages. Finally, assign the name to the rule of your received messages. Click on Finish to save the changes. After this, click on Apply and OK so that this rule is enabled in Outlook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.